There is a global crisis in mental health and behavioral health care needs among New Jersey's young people. It's just a sad fact of reality, and it's growing at a pace that healthcare industry alone can't fight.
Mental health is a national emergency, especially for our children, and the numbers tell us we need to act now.
I've seen teenagers come to our facility after sitting in an emergency room for weeks, that is weeks with an S, waiting for placement on an inpatient unit. We have had to turn away children that need services because we're not equipped to provide them.
You know, Carrier's $28 million expansion program that is supported by the $10 million that the state has advanced, $5 million last year, $5 million this year. That's going to improve the capacity by 50 inpatient beds. That's a startling number and a real difference maker for young people with psychiatric needs.
It's a dreadful feeling when your child is in need of mental health, behavioral health services. As a parent, if my child was ill, I know how to get care. We didn't know how to get care when our child needed behavioral health services.
We've heard the requests, we've heard the needs from the community, and we're here to address those. The funding will go towards increased beds at Carrier Clinic, reducing wait times, and making sure the most vulnerable mental health patients get the help that they need.
Expanding access to behavioral health at Carrier Clinic will help ease the burden New Jersey families feel when seeking care for their children and teens. It will help more patients get treatment as soon as they need it. That means fewer preventable crises, less uncertainty and angst waiting to see mental health professionals. The work we do here saves lives.
In the last 2 years, the state has invested more than double the cumulative investment in the past decade. That's a real important step because that's a value statement. A statement that says we see what we need to do, we recognize its impact on families and New Jersey residents, and we stand ready to turn words into action.